Hello educators, my name is Tanya. I'm a librarian with Multnomah County Library. In this video, I'll show you how you can find staff-created book lists on the library's website. First, you'll go to the library's website, which is multcolib.org. Once you're on the library's homepage, you'll click the search button. This takes you to a page where you can do a more detailed search in the catalog. In the first search box, you'll indicate the word catalog. In the second search box, you'll indicate the word list. You'll need to scroll down to find list. Then you'll type your search topic in the search box. I'm going to search for book lists on national parks for our example. Then you'll type multcolib after the topic. Here you'll see I've typed national parks, multcolib. Adding multcolib makes it so that you'll only get Multnomah County Library lists. Now we're going to click search. Selecting library staff makes it so that you only get book lists created by library staff. Now I have 86 book lists that come up. Selecting K through 12 study guide makes it so that you get book lists specifically created for educators. Now I have 43 book lists that come up. This is a bit more manageable. Now I can select the book list I want to look at. Here are some tips. It's a good idea to select book lists that have been created in recent years. It's more likely that the library still has the materials on these lists. Also, book lists that are more related to your search topic will show up towards the top of the results. As you can see, most of the titles of these book lists indicate national parks. The further down we go, we see results that are not quite about national parks. For questions and educator support, feel free to contact us. Multnomah County Library staff are available by phone at 503-988-5123. You can also reach us by email or chat by clicking on the Contact Us button on multcolib.org. We hope you enjoy exploring book lists and finding great books for your students.